Open the first link in the description. Then, open the link under the first step. Download the SDK. Extract all the files. Open the folder and copy the path. Hit Win and R simultaneously and type CMD. Write CD, paste the path and hit Enter. On your phone, open the settings. Search for build number and click on it for 7 times. Search for the developer settings. Make sure USB debugging is enabled. Now, if you want to uninstall a certain app, you should look for the package name on the internet, but keep in mind that some apps are not safe to uninstall.